Hello friends, welcome to our channel Stocks Factor. Hope you are doing well. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss the weekly market analysis and Bank Nifty and Nifty levels. We'll check the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the coming week. Friends, before we start the video, as we have already mentioned in our previous videos, we request you to please go through the derivative analysis series playlist. Those who are already using our dashboard and those who are willing to use our dashboard in the near future, please go through this playlist. From this playlist, you will get to know what is derivative analysis. You will get to know each and every derivative indicator in detail, which we have discussed and which we have shown in our dashboard, so that you can analyze the data in a holistic way and you can identify the high probability trades. So we highly recommend you to watch this playlist, which consists of 15 videos. And if you want to get the access of the dashboard, you can drop us an email. The email ID is mentioned in the about section. You can drop us an email with a simple hi and we'll mail you the link of the dashboard. After 15th of April, you can go to the website and register. So our website is already public, and after 15th of April, we'll be launching the paid version of our dashboard. You can go register and check the pricing, and we have kept a very nominal pricing to continue accessing our dashboard. So friends, let's begin with our video. So we'll go to the Stocks Factor dashboard and we'll click on the index analysis page. So friends, we are now on the index analysis page. To do the in-depth analysis of Nifty, we already published a video last week also. The link is given on the top on the suggestions and also on the description if you want to see that how to do the historical analysis and how to identify the trend analysis. In this video, we are going to cover the levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty for the next week. So friends, we'll go to the futures data. As you can see that on the weekly trend, last week what happened? Mainly there was a slight short positions in Nifty. So this was the overall last week scenario, and we have seen that there was a slight drop in price and OI addition. So overall, if we look at the last week, there was a slight addition of new short positions. Now friends, if we check the daily on daily trend, so we'll see that on the last day, that is on Friday, few short positions were added, right? So now we'll check the PCR trend. So PCR trend is above 1. So still the main trend is intact. So as we discussed in the previous videos, also in the last weekly video, that 14,500 is going to be the first support level, and that is still intact. Whenever the market comes near 14,500, the buying comes, because the first level support is 14,500 as per the cumulative data of the option chain. So if we see also for the past few weeks, 14,000 has been the major support. So we discussed that also in the last video of weekly analysis, that 14,000 is the major support and 14,500 is the first level support which is acting for Nifty. Now friends, we'll analyze the detailed option chain data. So if you see for the past 6 days what has happened, so you can see that there was a call writing at 15,000, and 15,000 has been acting as the major resistance for the past week also. So then we saw put writing more. So put writing increased, and that is what we see in the PCR also. There was a jump in PCR. So you can see yellow line started increasing on the upward side with the price rise. So it means that is a bullish signal from the past few days that option writers are writing more puts than calls. So this is a slightly positive sign for Nifty, but we have to watch the levels of 15,000, because 15,000 is still the major resistance. And on the last Friday, if we see what the OI change was, so there was huge put writing, but there was call writing at higher levels now. So above 15,000, also 15,000, and above 15,000 there is call writing going on. So 14,500, you can see this is the still first level support for Nifty and acting as a strong support, and the resistance is at 15,000. So these are the two levels to be watched. If it breaks above 15,000, it will go to 15,400, 500 levels, and on the downside 14,500 will act as a support on the closing basis. Now friends, let's see at the bottom chart. So you can see few short positions were added on Nifty, and on Friday you can see, but price movement was not very significant. So you can see that OI was increased. So we'll have to watch on Monday, but you can see more put writing was done as compared to the call writing. So friends, with every fall, people are writing more puts below 14,500 or at 14,500 level. So this is acting as a positive sign for Nifty as of now, that 14,500 is acting as a strong support. But if suppose the market next week falls below 14,500, so we need to watch one important thing, that is, if the market falls and 14,500 put writing increases, so it means that there are chances that market again will bounce from that level. But if the put unwinding starts at 14,500 levels with a fall in market, then we will be cautious, and then we have to watch that 14,500 may break as the first level support. So we have to watch the put writing at 14,500 level with the fall if there is a fall in Nifty. Now let's do the analysis of Bank Nifty. So we'll go on the top and we'll select the Bank Nifty. So friends, now the Bank Nifty is already filtered and the default time frame is 3 months. So on last Friday, you already know that Bank Nifty closed on the negative side. Now let's analyze the futures data. So you will see that week on week trend, there has been a huge price decline and also the OI decline. So mainly there were not so many short positions added, but there was more of a long unwinding and huge long unwinding going on for the past few weeks from you can see 36,000 odd levels to almost to 32,000 levels. So 4,000 point fall. So there has been more of a long unwinding continuously. So long positions are now light. So now if the Bank Nifty has to rise, so new long positions will be added. And also you can see on the daily chart that long positions are getting unwinded. Now if you see the PCR level is below 1. So but it has started slightly increasing. So we have to watch this, that with the increase in Bank Nifty, the put writing should increase. So if the put writing is increasing, then it means it is a good sign and the people are writing more puts than calls. So now if we see one more, but if you see the overall trend, the market is falling, but the put writing is in a consolidation zone. So it means now the Bank Nifty is consolidating between 32,000 and 34,000. You can see that market is fluctuating and there is a high volatility. So mainly in the Bank Nifty, you would see high volatility. So VIX is staying above 20. So it means the market is highly volatile and this has become a new norm, but we have to watch the PCR levels as I mentioned. So the put writing should increase with the rise in Nifty. Then it means that put writers are more comfortable writing put at that level and there are chances that Bank Nifty can bounce from that levels. Now if we see the trend, that is the maximum resistance and maximum support zone. So it has slightly shifted, but it is fluctuating between 32,000 and 34,000. So we'll see that in detail in option chain also. So if we see the cumulative option chain, so you see put writing at lower levels and call writing at higher levels. So it is a mix and there is still a consolidation going on for Bank Nifty. You will see that current day snapshot or the last trading day snapshot at 32,500. There is a fight going on and put writing and call writing at 32,500 is equal. You can see the fight between the put writers and the call writers, and the first level support which is also a major support, that is 32,000. So 32,000 is acting as a strong support. So 2-3 times Bank Nifty has bounced from that levels. So these are the levels to be watched for next week. The 32,000, 32,500. Now 33,000 is acting a slight resistance, and after that 33,400 is the major resistance. So the zone for Bank Nifty is 32,400. It's a very wide zone to immediate 33,000. If the call unwinding takes place, if the Bank Nifty rises, then the next level to be watched is 34,000. So 34,000 is the major resistance as of now. So friends, if we go to the bottom table, you can see that few long positions have been added from the past few days, but then again few short positions were added. So there is a mix going on, as I mentioned, that the Bank Nifty is consolidating. So if the market has to rise for Bank Nifty, new long positions will be added, and also so these positions should be covered and there should be a short covering with a rise in price. So friends, these are the levels to be watched for Bank Nifty. So friends, with this we come to the end of this video. If you have any questions regarding this video, please post your questions on the comment section and we'll definitely answer your questions. And we request you to again, please go through the playlist. Please go through the derivative analysis series playlist. We have been saying again and again in our videos that this is the highly recommended playlist, and this will really help you to understand what is derivative analysis, the power of derivative analytics, and how to use those indicators effectively in our dashboard so as to identify high probability trades. So friends, see you in another video. Take care and goodbye.